Do you want to learn the American accent? I atuit shewazari ئەمریکی فێربیت, but you are having a hard time pronouncing the vowels correctly? بەڵام بێژەکردنی بزمنەکان قورسە بۆ تۆ? Don't worry, خەمت نەبێت. Today we're going to talk about one very important vowel sound in the American accents. Actually, we're going to focus on a place where we get rid of a vowel sound. کاتێک دەنگێکی بزمن فرێدێ. با دەست پێ بکەین. Let's get started. The part of American pronunciation that we'll focus on today is called yod dropping. Here, the name yod is used to refer to the y sound because yod is the letter Y in the Hebrew alphabet. In the history of English, the sound y was very common to pronounce before the vowel sound oo. Instead of just an oo, English speakers like to make it a u. And in many British English accents, this is still a rule. A y sound is pronounced before a vowel that makes the oo sound. For example, in British English, you should pronounce these words as tune, dew, news, suit, zoology, fuel, and cute. However, in the American accent, we no longer say this y sound before the letters T, D, N, L, S, and Z. We got rid of the y sound that came after these letters and before an oo vowel. So we no longer say tune, but tune. We don't say dew, but do. We don't say suit, but suit. And we don't say zoology, we say zoology. Because the vowel that makes the oo sound has come after a T, D, N, L, S, or Z, we drop the y sound. We drop the yod. However, when this oo sound comes after other consonants, for example, F and C, we still pronounce it. So Americans say fuel and cute, similar to the British accent, not fool and coot. This is important for you to know because you might look at the spelling of certain words and think that because the spelling is so close, they should be pronounced the same. For example, tube and cube. Why does the word cube have the y sound after the C, when the word tube does not have this sound after the T? Because the American accent gets rid of the y sound after the letters T, D, N, L, S, and Z. So that's why we say cube and not cube. And that's why we say tube and not tube. It's all about which consonant comes before that vowel that is making an oo sound. Accents are complex and detailed things. فێربوونی شێوازارێک شتێکی ئالۆزە. So don't worry if learning the American accent is a little difficult sometimes. By listening to native speakers and by learning some of these accent patterns, such as the yod drop, you are on a good path to being able to speak English like an American. Until tomorrow, hata sevene. Khwa hafiz.